least common multiple of each pair. So we have 12 and 15, 36 and 27, and 60 and 25. So to find the LCM, least common multiple, meron tayong iba't ibang ways. Pwedeng listing method, we can use the continuous division or the factor tree. Okay, so try muna natin itong number 1, find the LCM of 12 and 15. So i-try muna natin yung listing method. So kukunin lang natin yung multiples nitong 12 tsaka ng 15. So ito yung madaling gamitin itong listing method kapag mababa yung numbers. Kapag medyo mataas, hindi ko sinasuggest na gamitin itong listing method. So yung isa-isahin lang natin. So we have 12, tapos yung isa naman ay 15. So kunin lang natin yung multiples ng 12. So add lang tayo ng add ng 12. So 12 plus 12, we have 24. Next sa 24, another plus 12, we have 36. Plus 12, we have 48. Plus 12 is 60. And then sa 15 naman, 15, so next, 15 plus 15, we have 30. Then plus 15, we have 45. And then plus another 15 is 60. So ito na yung LCM nila. Ang LCM nila ay yung unang multiple na common sa kanilang dalawa. Kaya nga LCM, least common. So yun yung word na common. So yung 60 ang ating LCM kasi yun yung unang number na parehas sila. So therefore, by listing method, the LCM is 60. LCM of 12 and 15 is 60. So yan yung first method natin. So another method ay yung continuous division. So i-divide lang natin parehas ito. So we have 12 and then 15. Saan pwedeng i-divide ang 12 at 15? So, pwedeng i-divide parehas yung 12 and 15 sa 3. So, 12 divided by 3, that's equal to 4. And then 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5. So, ngayon, para makuha yung LCM, imumultiply natin lahat ng itong numbers na ito. So, itong 3, ang 4, tsaka yung 5, imultiply lang natin yan. 3 times 4, that is equal to 12. And then 12 times 5, so that is equal to 60. So same answer of 60. And then another is the factor tree. So kunin natin ang prime factors nila. So we have 12 and then 15. So factors ng 12 ay 4 and 3. Then factors na itong 4, we have 2 and 2. Okay? So ang prime factors ng 12 ay 2 times 2 times 3. And then for 15, so dalawa lang yung factors ng 15, no? Aside from 1 and 15, so we have 5 times 3. So ngayon, ang LCM, isulat lang natin lahat nung yung common dito. So we have 2, 2, and 3 para sa 12, and then 5 and 3 naman sa 15. So isulat natin isang beses yung common nila. Ano ba ang common sa kanila? Parehas silang merong 3. So, yung 3, isang beses lang nating isusulat. Tapos, i-multiply natin lahat ng remaining numbers. So, yung 3, isang beses isulat. May natirang 2, 2, at 5. So, we have 3 times 2, times 2, and then times 5. So, pag minultiply natin ito, 3 times 2 is 6, times 2 is 12, times 5 is 60. So, yan yung tatlong method natin. Pare-parehas ng sagot. Ang answer ang LCM ng 12 and 15 is 60. So, i-try naman natin itong number 2, 36 and 27. Okay? So, hindi na natin gagamitin dito yung listing method kasi medyo malaki na yung number, 36 and 27. So, yun yung disadvantage ng listing method. Pag malaking number, wag na natin gamitin kasi time-consuming masyado. So, ginagamit lang yan pag medyo maliit lang yung number. Okay, so we have 36 and 27. So, continuous division ang gamitin natin, 36 and 27. So, saan ba pwedeng i-divide ang 36 and 27? Pwede yan sa 9. Pero kung hindi nyo agad napansin yung 9, pwedeng 3 lang muna. 36 and 27, both divisible by 3. 36 divided by 3, that is equal to 12. And then 27 divided by 3, that is equal to 9. Okay, so para maliliit lang yung numbers natin. And then 12 and 9, pwedeng i-divide ulit sa 3. So 12 divided by 3, that's equal to 4. And then 9 divided by 3 is equal to 3. So ngayon, lahat ng numbers dito sa baba and then dito sa left side, imumultiply natin lahat ito. So, multiply lang natin lahat yan. 3 times 3, that is 9, times 4, and then times 3. So, ano magiging sagot dito? 3 times 3, we have 9. Times 4 is 36, and then times 3. So, we have 36 times 3, that is equal to 3 times 6, we have 18. 3 times 3 is 9 plus 1, so we have 10. So, therefore, the answer is, the LCM of 36 and 27 is 108. So, i-try naman natin yung factor 3. So, yung factor 3, tingnan natin kung same answer, 108 pa rin ang lalabas. Okay, so ikunin natin ang prime factors of 36 and 27. 36 and then we have 27. Sa 36, ang factors niyan ay 6 times 6. Tapos, syempre, ang 6 ay 3 times 2 and another 3 times 2. And then, para sa 27, ang factors nito ay 9 times 3. Tapos, yung 9, factors pa ulit niya ay dalawang 3. So, ngayon, kunin natin yung common nila. So, kung mapapansin nyo, meron silang tig-dalawang 3. Okay? So, tig-dalawang 3 meron sila. So, yung common nila na tig-dalawang 3, isulat natin. 3 times 3. Tapos, isulat natin or i-multiply yung remaining factors. So, 3 times 3, then meron pa tayo ditong times 2, and then another times 2, tapos may 3 pa dito, times 3. Okay, so same na yan dito. Multiply natin itong tatlong 3, that is equal to 27. Tapos, itong dalawang 2, that is 4. So, 27 times 4, that is equal to 108. So, ngayon, itry nyo naman itong number 3. Find the LCM of 60 and 25. Comment your answer.